Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. An often overlooked piece of maintenance on your lawnmower during the summertime is going to be your blades and getting those blades sharpened. Here, when we're mowing grass all day, every day, we actually sharpen ours every single day. Every single morning we put a fresh set of blades on our mowers. As a homeowner, I don't necessarily think that you don't have to sharpen your blade every single time you cut your yard, but it is something that a lot of people tend to overlook. The need to do it a lot of times depends on, number one, the size of your yard, how much grass you're actually having to cut. Are you letting the grass get really tall, and is it having to mulch, and is it contacting the grass a whole lot? Are you running over sticks, things like that? The biggest piece of advice I can give you is just literally look underneath the deck of the mower, obviously with it off, and check the blades. You know, they'll start getting rounded off. They might get nicks in them, things of that nature. You really want to make sure that you get a good sharp edge put on there. You can do it with a file, a grinder. There's several different ways. There's several different places in town that'll actually do it for you. But some of the reasons it's important is a dull blade tends to rip and tear at the actual blade of grass, and it'll fray the tips of the blade, and it won't give it as crisp of a look. Whereas a sharpened blade, a freshly sharpened blade, is actually going to cut it. It also helps making sure that when you're using a mulching mower, that the blades of grass are being mulched super fine, which is going to help contributing to that decomposition at the thatch layer. If you're not getting it mulched up really well, it's harder for it to break down, and you'll tend up to get a thicker, unhealthy thatch layer. So anyway, now that we're getting here in the middle of the summer, it's just a piece of advice. Probably time by this time of the year to get up underneath your mower, look at the blades, take the blades off, go ahead and get a good sharp edge put on there. You won't regret it. Hope that helps. If you got any other questions, let us know.